Lumipas sa mga araw, buwan, taon. Halos lahat na ata na nangyari sa buhay namin, nakwento na ng bawat isa. Wala nang hiyaan. Bilang niya na lahat na nula sa buong katawan. Naging komportable na kami. Na minsan, sa pagiging komportable, doon niyo pa lang talaga makikilala ang bawat isa.
Jeff, may problema ba?
Ano kasi?
Ano? Sabihin mo sa akin baka makatulong ako.
Wala naman. I think we should stop this.
Ha? Anong ibig mo sabihin?
Gusto ko na makipag-break.
May nagawa ba akong mali?
Wala naman pero nagsasawa na ako. Ayoko na.
Pero Jeff, mahal kita.
Sorry, Renby.
Jeff!
Galit, selos, pride, balikan ng mali. Minsan di ko na alam kung anong pinagtatalunan ng bawat isa, pati maliliit na bagay. Anong pinaglalaban namin? Sino bang panalo? Parehas kaming talo sa laban na dapat magkakampi kami. Masakit makita na lahat ginagawa nyo para magkaroon ulit kayo ng spark. Pero bakit ganun? Habang lalo nyong pinipilit, lalong nawawala. Ang dating masaya, masigla, at magandang pagsasama ay napalitan ng lungkot, hindi pagbibigayan, at hindi pagkakaintindihan. Teka, wala naman sa plano to ah. At sigurado ako, parehas namin ayaw mga nangyayari. Ay, ewan, pagod na ako. Dapat ba kami lumaban pa? O kailangan na lang namin tanggapin ang katotohanan na hindi kami para sa isa't isa? Nagsimula sa napakasayang love story, pero katulad ng karamihan, malungkot ang ending. Baka siguro hanggang dito na nga lang kami. Ito na ata ang aming finish line. Minsan kami nagtawanan, minsan kami naging masaya. Minsan parang kami lang ang tao sa mundo. Dahil pag magkasama kami, okay na ang lahat. Nakalimutan na namin ang minsan.
Simula nagkahiwalay kami, wala na akong balita sa kanya. At ako, naging product manager sa pinapasukang kumpanya.
I know you are all aware what will be our agenda for today. As you all know, our company is globally competitive and highly acquainted in the market. I think we should start doing some plans with the other companies. Who have the money in this room? How much is to make a drop proposal and expecting it to market?
Sounds fine. I'm okay with it.
Same here. I think everything is set. And expecting your drop proposal first thing tomorrow. Meeting us.
Here's my proposal for the expansion of our company. Our goal is to expand the company with the help of the other companies. And here's the strategy that we need to use. We need to choose a company that will help us to expand our company. And here's the procedure. First, we need to say to the other company that we have a joint force to the other company. Second, we need their proposal to make a decision. And last, if we choose the company that qualifies, we need to have a meeting with them to discuss our plan. We can expand our company in the international with the help of the other company.
Any reactions? Since we need to expand our company, we need to collaborate with these two companies.
What's happening?
I think Okay, sounds good. Let's call it a day.
Okay. I'm glad to see you all of you here.
If this is all about your companies, make sure that after this meeting, we'll be able to save this company.
I can do it, trust me.
Are you sure you can do it?
Yes.
So what's your plan?
Here's the thing. I want to make a research on the top clothing company. I want all your research tomorrow.
What? Tomorrow, Dad?
Yes. So what now?
Based on my research, Rengen's Clothing Company is the most successful clothing company today. I have the same research too. In addition to that, they're also looking for a company that will help them to enlarge their business.
Aryan, book me a meeting to Region Clothing Company President. We should get that deal.
Good morning, Mr. Almeida.
Huh? Red V? Ikaw yung president of... Have a seat first.
Mr. President, can I have a favor?
What is all about?
I want this in a formal way. I want our company to collaborate with yours.
You want us to collaborate?
Yes, if you don't mind.
I apologize, Mr. Almeida, but I'm afraid we're not on the same level. My company will not set down standards for some company
I
like
will
yours.
prove to we will make it if you accept my proposal.
I apologize, Mr. Almeida, but I'm afraid the standards of my company won't suit yours. I heard that your company is in crisis, so if you don't mind, I have a meeting to attend to.
Okay lang. Wala mo lang. Oh, sarap ka na. Oh, ano na yan? Hey, hindi naman na. Hey, balik na ako. Nakita ka na. Ano ba? Oo. Business matters. Business matters. Business nga lang ba talaga? Oh, come on, yes. Don't be so malicious. Alam mo namang iniingatan ko pa din ng reputasyon ng kumpanya. Reputasyon ng kumpanya o reputasyon ng puso mo? Labas na nga, marami pa akong gagawin. Ano isipin mo lang siya eh. Ay, naku! Sayang na sayang. Diba? Ang thank you!
Gumawa kami ng paraan upang tanggapin ang aming proposal. Sa tulong ng aking mga empleyado, tumaas ang aming sales, kaya natuloy ang aming proposal sa Regions Clothing Company.
Good morning, everyone. And Miss President, nice to meeting you. I am the president of Almeida's Clothing Company. By the way, thank you for accepting our proposal. First off, let me discuss to you what are the possibilities and advantage if ever your company and yours will collaborate of the vision and the project Regions Clothing will be endeavor. Almeida's company will be supply a fabric and you will be assured that you will get the highest quality of
What do you
our
think is the unique part of proposal to make us say yes?
like other companies.
Do you think we should accept our proposal if it's just like
The
other companies?
difference is I will show you my product. Then, also, the people were and reliable, trustworthy of our people. And of course, you may help us to make a decision.
Point. Mr. Almeida and your company should collaborate.
The way you present your proposal is very clear. Even my employees are listening. Congratulations, Mr. Almeida.
Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal two? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, Honey and Bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la. Hey, how have you been? I know that it's been a while. Are you tired? Cause you've been on my mind, running thousands and thousands of miles. Sorry, I know that that line's out of style, but you look so beautiful on this starry night. Loving the way the moonlight catches your eyes and your smile. I'm captivated, your beauty is timeless, never outdated. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal two? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, Honey and Bears, yeah. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen. Babe, it's been 5 years since that special day when I asked you on our first date. I guess it's safe to say
So what now?
Based on my research, Rendion Clothing Company is the most successful clothing company. They're also... Any reactions, recommendations, or opinions? So, since we need to expand our company, we'll need to collaborate with at least 2 companies.
But what company?
I think Almeida's fabric company will suit our needs. Okay, sounds good. Let's call it a day.
Meeting adjourned. Mr. Almeida and our team should collaborate.
Okay. You were. It's just fun kita.
Pero sorry,
Jeff! Pagpapalin mo!
First, to the other company. Second, we need their proposal. Bubulol ako.
Yes, the point.
So,
Binabati ko po yung